Hello, Road Rush Nation. This week we're going to talk about the new Street Glide ST. And did Harley get it right with the 117? Let's talk about it and I'll give you my opinion. All right, let's take a look at the new 2022 Street Glide ST that Harley's put out. One of the biggest complaints that I've heard from the social groups that I'm in is that the price. Everybody's complaining about the price. It's starting at around $29.99, basically $30,000, and a lot of people are complaining about the price. Well, I see it, I get it, but everything's going up. So let's see what you get. You get your Milwaukee 8 117V twin, and I'll talk about that motor here in a little bit. It comes up with your West Coast styling, blacked out everything, which is really popular now. I happen to have it on my Arctic Blast. You got your sport touring profile and your classic bat wing fairing, but you've also got an awesome suspension on this bike. So for those of you that haven't seen the latest Harley video on this new Street Glide ST, hang on, I just happen to have it.
The launch of the Street Glide and Road Glide ST models is that first step for us into that performance-leading Grand American Touring product line. Designed for weight, designed for power, designed for performance. Let's get rid of the two-up seat. Let's make it fast and more nimble, have better lean angle.
There's a big appetite for people who just want to take their bike, make it cool, make it different, and then just go rip on it. They're not just riding out on the street with their baggers. They're making them a performance machine. They're raising them up. They're giving them more power.
It's this cool new sort of, evolution that creates a new form factor for the bagger, which is really exciting.
We're bringing the 117 powertrain with a heavy breather, and how it's tuned with the exhaust makes it just an exceptional performance bagger.
For the first time, you have that CVO level powertrain available in a non-CVO product. It's Milwaukee 8 117, so it's everything that the Milwaukee 8 is known and loved for, plus you get the biggest version of it from the factory.
If you take a look at the font that's used with the drop H on the tank on our ST models, that is a direct lineage back to our race bikes of the late 19-teens and 20s. That logo also you might recognize from our 77 lowrider. It's another one of those cases where you have something that's new and fresh, but yet familiar and almost subliminal.
Attitude is an important part of the ST models as well, and that's why you see the more subdued colorways. Lowrider S was a key piece of that DNA, and that's why you see bronze wheels and bronze accents on the powertrain.
Performance baggers really need to be able to do it all, from the racetrack to the sweeping canyons and everywhere in between. The ST models are truly a blank canvas for performance parts and amplifying the ride. What we're offering is a performance bagger trim kit. I also think of it kind of as an a la carte listing of products that really take a performance bagger to the next level. So you think, all right, it comes with a 117 from the factory. I want more, add a 131 stage 4 kit. Then tagging on a high flow exhaust system that were designed in parallel with one another, and then saying, all right, that's a ton of power to the ground, right? How do you harness it? That's where the Olin suspension comes in.
The Olin shocks that we run, that is the product that we took basically directly out of the catalog, essentially, before it was released, and put it on a race bike. So a big upgrade for the performance of the bike, and also they just look cool.
Prior to this, if you wanted to make a performance touring motorcycle, you had to buy one of our standard bikes and do quite a bit of change to get it to sort of be a good baseline to start making a performance bagger out of. With the Road Glide ST and Street Glide ST, we now provide something right out of the box that just gives you a shortcut to your performance bagger dreams.
I got to tell you, I think Harley got it right when they created the ST line. And let me tell you why. It's hitting an audience of Harley riders that get kind of put on the fringe. It's the one that want the high performance, that want to get out there and take their bike and just soup it up and race. They'll take it to the local tracks, they'll take it to their local canyons, anywhere, and they just want to hop them up. I'm with them. It's fantastic to see that Harley is getting it. There's a whole culture that's out there that is doing this to their bikes on their own. But now you've given them a baseline to start with, so they don't have to build it all up and find the right parts. Harley's given it to them. In my opinion, Harley did get it right. So let me know what your thoughts are about the Street Glide ST. Put them down in the comments. We'd love to see and have a discussion on what you think it is. And if you've had the opportunity to see one in person, I'd love to know what you think. So thanks for joining us this week. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. We've got more stuff that we're talking about with the new rides coming out, new accessories. We're still putting on the beautiful Arctic Blast number 219. Love this bike. I would love to know what your thoughts are on the new Street Glide ST. And if you've had a chance to see it, love to hear what you think about it. Just put your comments down below and we can have a discussion. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.